Hello everyone, this is Anjali Gupta and today I'm representing full stack development internship path that is given by the stock team. And let's come to the project statement. Here the objective of this assignment is to create a data visualization dashboard as per the instruction. Here they give us data JSON file and the link is given in below of this attachment. And now come to the data visualization dashboard instruction that I have to use create a MongoDB database. For MongoDB database, I have used this Atlas MongoDB for my database. Here I can use browser connection directly without stay locally in my computer. So you can use here. You can see here. Now come to the next part. Here they said use MERN Stack or mean stack. Here I use MERN Stack for this project, and for chart or visualization I use chart.js 1 and chart.js 2. So let's come to the next part. Here they said there should be a important variable that is to be visualized, that is intensity, likelihood, relevance, year, country, topic, reason. And they also give some JSON file that we have to fetch, we have to extract here in my dashboard to show my data. So let's come to the deployed part of this application. Here I also add some important authorization, like if someone is entering my application, then he and she add to an email and the password for this application. So here I have choose the pre-written admin email and password, and I have to just click on login part, and here it will direct me to dashboard page in within a 2 second. So this is the intensity chart and reason distribution and topic chart and elevation chart and sector chart, likelihood chart, country chart. So these are the visualization dashboard application. Here I also give a pic of the admin, and here you can check this profile setting and log out. If you want to log out, then you can easily log out this application. Like if I want to log out, then I can log out. Here I have got some message for log out. So let's come to the coding part. This is my VS Code. Here I write my code. So let's come to the front end part. In front end part, first come to the main part, that is the package.json. In package.json, I have used Chakra UI for designing part, and here as they said in the assignment, we have to use for data visualization like chart.js, tapty.js. So I use chart.js, and I also use React chart.js too for better visualization, data visualization, and exhaust for fetching the JSON file from the backend and frontend. And here I also use a React Router DOM. So these are the basic dependency that I use in the front end. Now let's come to the source part. In source part, I go to app.js. In app.js, I give routes for this dashboard and the home page. Now come to the component part. In component part, I have two component like dashboard and login. First come to the login part. In login, I give login JSX, this one, and here I import use state from the React, and also I importing these icons from the Chakra UI for designing purpose. And here I gave some functionality by the use of set time interval and set time out. And here I give some basic functionality. Just a minute. Yeah, these are the some design purpose. So this is the login part that is visible in my application. And now come to the dashboard. Here in dashboard, I give different. I give individually component, like for country I use this. These are individually parts. So here I use state use effect for state management, and for side effects also. And here I use country chart, etc. And for footer, I just add footer for my name, so you can check in my application. This is the intensity chart, this is the Lyco chart. Yeah, main part is the main GSS. In main GSS, I use this, and I use the local 5000, and this is the code for main.js. And same here navbar, this is for reason, and this is the relevance, this is the section chart, this is the chart sidebar, and this is the topic chart. So these are the dashboard for for my application. So I have only two components like dashboard and login. So these are the components. Now come to the backend part. In backend part, let's come to the package.json. Here I only use Mongoose and MongoDB and Express and .env. .env for securing my personal or secret files in .env. So I use .env here, and for uh, relate between backend and frontend. So here I use Node for basic server that is running in my application. You can see here. And now come to the source part. In source part, I use in app.js. I just give my MongoDB URI, and also I use port 5000 for the basic step. And here I use .env, and also course. I here in this part I am importing these, one minute, dependencies. These are the important dependency here. You can see that one is working perfectly. Now come to the route part. This is the API and first part where we can acknowledge our part that data. It will give the data and give the data. So here it will come to the data part. These are the model in data.js. Model means it will be showing the schemas. So here I use Mongo.schema for initializing the schema, and you can see here I use and here like string intensity is the number. So these are the model for my application, and it is a controller part, data controller part. Here first I try this part, but it is not working fine when I use catch. So I also commented it in this form, and you can see that is export part. So these are the data controller for my uh application. And here you can see that it is working fine in locally as I am starting this one, and this will be redirected to dashboard. So these are my also working locally, and it is also working in this part. And here this is my GitHub link. You can also check from here. And so these are my assignment where I have to use data for data visualization dashboard. Thank you so much.